Hey, it's Gina from Scoubi Club, and today we're doing a tutorial on this super fun wrap bracelet. To do this project, you will need a bracelet blank that is about 5/8 inch wide and about 6 inches long. You'll also need up to 5 strands of Scoubi that are about 8 inches long and 2 to 3 yards of another color. I'm using white today. To start the project, you should get your short strands of Scoubi and put them in the order that you'd like to appear on the bracelet. This bracelet has a rainbow theme, so I'm putting them in rainbow order. You'll also notice that we're limited to 5 colors, so instead of green and yellow, I chose a yellowish green as one of the 5 colors. You want them to be fairly close together and then secure them with a piece of tape. From here, you will place your strands of Scoubi on top of the bracelet blank, fold them over, and secure with the tape. And this part doesn't need to be particularly neat, it just needs to be secure. We will be wrapping the long Scoubi over all of this, so none of this will show. So take your long piece of Scoubi and save a tail that's about 2 inches long. And with the longer tail, you want to give it at least 2 or 3 wraps around to secure everything in place. And you're just wrapping it around. There's nothing fancy here. So once yours looks similar to this, you want to secure this with some kind of binder clip so you don't have to worry about it while you're doing your project. Please forgive my very beat up binder clip. So in this project, all you're doing is wrapping the long strand of Scoubi around the project, and you'll leave out the pieces that you want to appear to make the pattern. So the first wrap around, we left out purple. The second wrap around, we're covering all of them except for blue and purple. The next one, we'll wrap the pink and the orange, but leave out the green, blue, and purple, and so on according to the pattern that you see on your screen. So it really is just a simple wrap, and you create the pattern by deciding which strands to expose and which strands to cover up. So you can do all types of patterns with this method, basket weave. You can have bits where you have all 5 of your strands showing, and then just a couple of wraparounds. So you can really use these techniques to create several types of designs of a wrap bracelet. So this one, we're doing this kind of triangle pattern, and I am putting 2 wraps between the triangle. And now we're going to do opposite of what we did before. So we're going to start by wrapping the white underneath all the strands, and then we'll wrap and cover one pink, and then we'll cover the pink and orange, and then cover the pink, orange, green, and so on. So this is really a quick and easy technique to make a wrap bracelet, and I really do like the rainbow and kind of this tribal triangle pattern. So we'll repeat this process according to the pattern that you can see there in the illustration until you get to about maybe 1 inch from the bottom. Repeat the pattern until you are about 1/2 inch from the end of the project. You should fold over the shorter strands of Scoubi onto the bracelet blank and then wrap around 2 or 3 more times to secure the strands. To end the project, you'll flip it over and feed the tail of the long strand through the loops that you just created. And from here, you'll want to secure that tail with a little bit of craft glue so you don't have the problem of it coming undone. Once you have it arranged as you'd like, you can trim the ends and use some craft glue. Do the similar process on the other end. Remove the binder clip, feed the tail through the loops. Because it's not open like the other one was, you may need a tweezer to get the tail out. And again, you'll want to put a little bit of craft glue to secure the project. To form this into a bracelet, the bracelet blank is bendable, so you can try putting it on your wrist to make it, to figure out the right size and to make it round. You can also get something like a soda can or a roll of Scoubi to use as an aid in helping to make it a little bit more round. But as you wear it, it will form to the shape of your wrist. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Be sure to post your creations on Instagram, #Scoubi Club.